back to my channel. My name is Adriana Snuggles. Now today's video, as you can tell, my hair is new, but I am also having my Tommy's gonna do my makeup. My son's gonna do my makeup, and it should be a fun video because every time I do my makeup, he is always trying to do my makeup, or whenever he sees my brushes, he'll go and try to like either put it on himself or put it on me. So why not make a video out of it? Now I have dyed my hair today, and I decided to follow Amy Fraley's video on how to do a blowout like a professional, or the way that she does it at least, and it looks like a professional. So let's get to it.
Now it just took so much time, and if you're a mama, you know how sacred time is, okay? And sometimes I just wouldn't to spend already dry. You can and you're gonna go ahead and tie that up with any hair tie, or make sure it's like secure with a clip or whatever you have on hand, okay? I use something different every time. Right now I have a Monique, so that's what I'm putting. So then you do like a little bun, and you want to make sure it's tight and out of the way. Now you have the rest of your hair, and it's damp, right? If it's already dry, you're gonna skip this step, and it's gonna be a lot easier for you. So you have your hair, and you want to make sure you comb through it. You take out all the knots, tangles, whatever. You're gonna use any blow dryer that you have on hand. I have this Vital Sassoon blow dryer. So then you're gonna blow dry all of the hair that is not pinned up, okay? And you want to make sure it's completely dry, and you don't have to use the round brush. You're just gonna do it like crazy, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so once your hair is dry like so, you are going to part it again. So you're gonna part this part of your hair in half again, and then you're gonna clip it. I'm just using this butterfly clip right here. It's like super destroyed, but whatevs. So once your hair is pinned up and out of the way, you're gonna take this bottom portion and you're gonna split it directly down the middle in two, okay? So you have two pieces right here. So then you take this piece right here and you're gonna split it in two. If your hair is thinner, you might not even need to split it up. If your hair is thicker, you may need to do one or two additional sections. So I take mine and I split it directly in two, okay? So then you take a curling iron, and since we're going for that wavy blowout look, I have a 2-inch barrel curling iron. And this one is just the Infinity Pro by Conair, and I really like this one. So you're gonna take your curling iron and you're gonna curl that piece of hair away from your face. Now, this is what's really going to make your hair look like you got it professionally blow dried. So what you do is, you take a clip, and you want to clip all of your hair back. You want to make sure that it's all gathered, but you don't like do it too tight. So then you take the hair on top of your head, and you want to go ahead and just brush through it, just to make sure you get all tangles knocked out. Now, if your hair is dry by now, or you recently dried it when you were blow drying the rest of your hair, you can go ahead and take a spray bottle and give it a few spritz to dampen it up. You're going to go back in with your blow dryer, but this time you're going to incorporate a round brush. So basically, you're going to use your blow dryer and your round brush to manipulate your hair into a round motion going inward towards your face. So sometimes I take too much hair from the top of my head, making it more difficult to round brush, so I just put it into to make it easier. So that's what I did, and I'm keeping it. fluffy, and it should look something like this. You're gonna do the same with this top layer. After you blow dry both pieces, you're going to go ahead and wrap both pieces up into the brush like this, and you're going to want to take the blow dryer and blow dry your hair and place it directly onto the top and bottom of the brush. And this is going to make that little curl at the end of your hair a little more defined. So when you flip your hair backwards, you'll have a little more volume. Now this is something I learned in cousin taught me. So if you really want your curl to last, what you do is you turn your blow dryer on, but you click the cool setting and you just cool down whatever you just heated up, and that like locks the curl in place. Once you're done with your blow dryer, you're just going to want to go ahead and take out your hair, and it should look like this. You're also going to want to take the hair tie or clip or whatever out, and then you're going to want to flip your hair forward. So you're going to want to go ahead and massage that into your scalp, and then you're going to flip your hair forward. And basically style your hair with your fingers however you want it, okay? Do you guys see this volume? Like, look at this. It looks like I got a freaking wig on. And you basically just play around with your hair, style it however you want. Now, if you want a little more shine, or you feel like your hair looks dry or whatever, you can add
Hey everyone, so as you guys saw, my son just finished doing my makeup, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little small video, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share our videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye. Love you guys.